Living that American dream, you know. Touching paper every day. Getting this money, you heard? All my niggas stunting.
Yeah.
I know you see us. But listen, I'm tryna stunt and blow Fetty like it's nothing. White chicks, big tits, nice lips, and they buffin'. You could check the budget, I got money, heavy bank rolls. You owe banks, and I'm the nigga that the bank owes. Whoa, I'm collecting the bread. On site, headshot, I'm collecting they heads. Cold heart, no soul, like I'm basically dead. I'm raising the bet. Free pull, right from the best. Yes, take a pull and feel the haze in your chest. Lay back, clear your mind, fuck the pain and the stress. Hating the lies, I can see the hate in your eyes. But I could give a fuck, I let the haters despise. I stay in my grind, cause money is the mojo. Money is the reason why these women on my pogo. Money is the reason why the world spin go-go. Money is the reason for this LV logo. Y'all niggas slow pokes, losing this race. Get it right, play your part and just move into place. Step back, too close, you intrude in my space. Back 'em out, 40 drawn, now you losing your face. Word, I ain't playing around. I stunt hard for my niggas laid under the ground. I stunt hard for them niggas that's holding it down. I stunt hard for them niggas that's hoping I drown. I'm still swimming, nigga.
I did it all.
Stop, what up?
Turn the chair to a throne. I'm a king.
Skywalker.
I put my whole city
Fast Money.
on to some things that they never would've known if I
R.I.P.
didn't start
Maury.
hard. And every night is a premiere.
It's
If
real.
I ever
Yeah.
disappear, best believe I'm coming back.
Starting hard.
Got rich, went broke, and got rich again.
Look.
On that same shit again.
Listen.
All I ever do is stunt hard.
I stunt, I grind, they hate, don't mind. Keep my verse on rewind, play my shit 3-4 times. Groupies stalking, bitches talking, I thought I wasn't important. Purple piff, purple licks, that's that potent and potion. They put me in the open, like they supposed to do. Just trying to hang around, just like them posters do. I ain't no poser, but cameras, they keep me posing. This pencil just keep reloading, I'm smoking, they keep me focused. I know niggas anxious, just need to make it first. Cause lately all these niggas acting like they wearing skirts. I really gotta understand what I'm here for. I drive tunes, but I guess they wanna hear more. Y'all know I catch my feelings back when the fear's gone. I fear less when I touch the stage encore. I haven't decided decisions for my past life. I'm living now, so everything's alright. From what I know, God's soul was the first light. So I'm blessed every time I throw on the ice. They say you got a problem, kid. I'm doing me, so I don't know what the problem is. My teachers ask me, yo, John, what you find in this? It's money dirty, well, I'm trying to get filthy rich. Figure, deal me, bitch, my sheets is on silky shit. And everything here based, I don't need a kick.
I did it all on my own, turned a chair to a throne. I'm a king and it's why I start hard. I put my whole city on to some things that they never would've known if I didn't start hard. And every night is a premiere. If I ever disappear, best believe I'm coming back. Start hard. Got rich, went broke, and got rich again. On that same shit again. All I ever do is start